Cook Life, and I'm Joan. And today we're going to be trying some of these little meals, just heat up in a microwave meals from Walmart. They're back in the deli section, and we have a 4-cheese ravioli. Let's open this up. It takes 3.5 minutes in the microwave. Water everywhere. And that's the 4-cheese ravioli. We're going to be trying that one. Let's see, this one's open already. This is an orange chicken with tempura, chicken breast, meat, orange sauce with fried rice. That's this one we're going to open up. I had to put the sauce on it. Yeah, I have some soy sauce over here in case I need it. Orange chicken and fried rice. I've always wanted to try this. It's called chicken carbonara. Grilled chicken breast with linguine, bacon, peas, and cream sauce. All my favorites. I should love it. Hopefully it's delicious. This one had a different kind of label on it, so it says pull that label off. I was like, well, I could get the thing off. And then those other ones are cardboard and they just slip out. Stir this fried rice up some. But this is the one I'm interested in. Let's try chicken. I'll get my salt and pepper ready because I'm probably going to need some. I'm getting low on my pepper, it seems like. Let's go need some. And I have me some Dr. Pepper here. It's late at night. I was like, hey, I'm up. I just finished doing some videos a few hours ago. We're waiting for the storm to come. I think it's supposed to be raining. I don't know. Well, my weather app on my phone says we're supposed to get 10 inches of rain. So it's like, hey, I'll get up and do some filming while we're waiting for the storm. Then I'll edit this and try to get it out tonight. Well, early morning. One out of 10, I'll give it a 7. It's not bad. It's usually really kind of crappy, but you know what? That's not bad. So, would I buy this again? Yes, definitely. All right. You know I love my Chinese food, so let's try this rice first. I shouldn't give you Chinese food without no soy sauce. Okay. It reminds me of that like that Uncle Ben's rice. It's already in the package. You just throw it in the microwave for a couple minutes or whatever it is, and pull it out, open it up, put it in a plate. That's what it tastes like. I don't know if I showed y'all this or not. And let's take a bite. Let's try this orange chicken. It has a very nice orange taste. Lots of pepper. I think I don't really taste the soy sauce. Oh Lord. I got salt all over me, all over my table. I like to wipe it up. That's not bad, and it's not spicy. Most orange chickens that you get are spicy. Like if you go to Panda Express or you get the stuff out of the frozen section of the freezer section of the grocery store, it's spicy. This is not spicy. It just has a nice orange taste to it. Chicken's not bad. I'm gonna give it a 17. Would I order it? Buy it again? I'd buy it again. I'm taking a bite of this rice. So bad. I'll go rice over now. Alright. Oh, this is 4 cheese ravioli. Okay. Now let's see how many raviolis we have. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's not bad. 8 of them. Yeah. 4 there, 4 there. So it's 8 of them. And I think these are like $3 or something a piece. Yeah, I mean, you can't beat that. Did I wish we had more sauce? Excuse me, yes. So it needs salt. Definitely. It's not bad. I think it was a 7 out of 7. Let me see. If they had a one with beef in there, or maybe one with chicken, I'd give it maybe 8 or 9. It's not bad at all. Let's taste this one that has barely any sauce on it. Really, I can tell you what, and y'all know I'm hard on these kind of foods, but my table keeps moving or something. I don't know. Oh, excuse me. That soda always makes me burp. I'm gonna go back over here. Anybody else waiting for this? What is a tropical storm? I don't know. It's in the Gulf of Mexico. I won't tell you. I feel like I'm at that. That's not Outback. What the hell's that place called? Olive Garden. In a Chinese restaurant. Let's do this. I'm gonna put this on this side. We're gonna pretend like we're at the Olive Garden. Look there. Oh, excuse me, my Lord have mercy. I bet you heard that wherever you live. Wherever you live. Let's try this. I like it. When my boys eat it, no. If you don't like the taste of orange juice, when you first bite, what you think of is orange juice or fresh orange you're eating. If you don't like oranges, orange juice, whatever, you don't like it. I wonder what this rice tastes like with all this sauce. They do give you a bunch of sauce. You know, I wouldn't mind having that sauce separate for egg rolls. It'd be delicious for an egg roll. Be beautiful. That rice does taste better. And that sauce. Hey, maybe I just mixed it all up. I'm sorry, folks, but I may have to pause off for a second, blow my nose. If y'all know, I can't enjoy my food when my nose is... Friends, I looked up and it had turned off. I don't know where it left off at. So... I don't think it was cut off too long. It said my storage is full up. It's not full up. And let me tell you, I'm not the only one having problems with their phone. Since it updated, I guess about a week ago, it updated. And I've been just having problems with my phone. I asked people on Facebook and they're telling me they're having the same problem with their phones. And yeah. You sit there and type your words in for, commenting or whatever, or post or something. you go back. You better read what you have posted, what you wrote, because it sticks in other words, stuff that you hadn't even typed in. Plus, I've talked about this before. AT&T knows I've caught into the little scams, and I know I'm not the only person who's caught into AT&T scams. Probably other cell phone companies do the scamming too. Where when you get your phone paid off, or it's about paid off, they send out a signal to your phone so you'll have all these problems, so you will have to buy a new phone. And I've told them before, I ain't going for pulling. You don't pull that crap on me. I ain't falling for that crap anymore. And so, yeah. And yeah, they do that right when you're about to have your phone paid off, or you just had it paid off, and they start sending all this crap to you, and you start having problems with your phone. And you're like, hey, you know what? It's time for a new phone. I ain't doing that. And someone will say, why don't you use a camera? I bought a camera. I bought the same camera a lot of the YouTubers use, and a lot of equipment. And y'all know I'm 56 years old. When I went to school, we had no computers, so I don't know just what I have taught myself about computers, and that's not much. And so I've told my boys, years ago, when I started YouTube 5 or 6 years ago, to help me, learn to edit my videos and do this and that, and they can't show me nothing. But when I probably start, if I ever start making money with it, they'll probably say, Mom, I want this and that, but I'm going to look back and say, hey, you ain't getting crap, because you never tried to help me with my YouTube that I absolutely love. And so, it's late at night, and I'm mumbling. So, my sons told me, just get you a good Apple phone. So I got me a good Apple phone. They're like, that's what all the YouTubers use right there. And most of them that I follow, that's what they use, is the phone. It's just a lot easier to record and stuff. I know my stuff is on backwards. I know that it's on backwards. My letters and everything. But we're about through with this stuff. I'm about out of drink and I'm full. I know someone said, made a comment about my stuff being backwards. You need to switch it around or whatever. I was like, well, I can't switch it around. I tried to switch it around when I'm editing. It won't let me do it. My editing I have, Photoshop, or I don't know what it's called. I bought an app on the phone that helps me do my editing and stuff, and do what I can. So, and I'll tell you what, anyway, I don't like all those fancy videos. I like to be normal. I want to be natural. I just want to be like, hey, you're coming to enjoy your friend and me for lunch, and you can pause me and go grab you something to eat and listen to my stories and have me eat and stuff. And I just want us to be like friends and just sit down and relax and have a good meal and have a good conversation. And I don't need all that music in the background that annoys me. Maybe if it's just a little bit or something. If I had a man next to me, have a little romance music or something might be alright. But I don't got nobody here by me. And so I don't need no music. And it's just me and you. So let's pray for the people in New Mexico. I watched world news. First time I've watched world news in probably a month. They got some kind of wildfires. Terrible. You know, if you have I don't know if it helps or not, but if you have sprinkler system in your yard, that might help some too. If you ever get a wildfire around your house, property, I've always said, you know, they put those water sprinklers, fire sprinklers, whatever they want, you know, buildings and stuff, inside rooms and stuff. It's like, I don't know why you can't have something like that. Don't take my idea, because I got my proof right here. This is my idea. Why the little sprinklers, like in your yard, kind of pop out of your roof. You know, if you know you got something coming, you can make it electronic nowadays. If you're over and you got a wildfire in New Mexico and you're over in Miami or something, you can program it on your phone and say, hey, have these little water sprinklers pop out of your roof and turn on. That'll help too. I think it's a lot of conspiracy. They do stuff like this because they want your property to burn up, really. Government stuff, whatever, because then you'll have to go and buy new stuff. So you're keeping everything going. You know, you got your lumber yards and all this stuff, and you're keeping people in business. If you don't have anything that ever burns up or whatever, or gets destroyed, well, the economy just kind of, and that's what I say about the cars. They've raised the speed limit up so high. You know, we used to always have 55. We still had wrecks and stuff, but I'm gonna tell you what, we didn't have the wrecks and deaths as we do today, since they have raised them. And they always want to complain, or someone's on the phone, people on the phone. But a lot of people, it's just it's just too fast. You know, someone pulls out in front of you, and it's just a lot of just wrecks, and they're going to keep it like that so you're able to keep the car dealerships in business. You're able to keep the funeral homes in business. You're able to keep the hospitals in business. You know, it all merges together, and that's why they don't want to lower the speed limits. Because if people didn't have car wrecks, you're going 55 all the time and you're not having car wrecks. Car prices are so expensive now anyways, you know, you're going to keep your car. So car dealerships will be going out of business. The car body shops would go out of business. So it's just a big old circle. It just rotates, goes around, and it's very sad. We have so many wrecks in my area on Highway 6, and just deaths, and wrecks, and it's been like this since they raised the speed limit from 55 to I think it's 75, and it's not going to get better. They're like, oh, you know, you need to put a median or something around so people can't hit each other and stuff, and it's like, we didn't have all that problem when it was 55, when people were coming out from convenience stores and stuff, and or from their property onto the highway and stuff, and people were able to see you. But when you're going 75, 80 miles an hour, you just don't have enough time to stop. And we're going to leave it like that. I'm going to go put these in a little container. I can have this later for another meal, for a snack or something. And yeah, I definitely go get you some of those. They're called Freshness Guaranteed. I don't know. You can get them at Walmart. And I'm about to look see if they have some more we can try. Because really, I'll give you 2 thumbs up. They're 7s, but really, there are better than fast food on them out. So yeah, definitely go try them. They're all good. I really can't say nothing negative about any of them. They're all good. So yeah, just that rice needs to be mixed up with that orange chicken glaze. But yeah, it's really good chicken. So yeah, I'm usually hard on them, but I want to tell you, those were really surprised me. I thought they were gonna be bad, but hey, at least I don't have to throw them in the trash. So. Alright, let me get back and go see how this weather's coming. And make sure to subscribe, like, comment, share, click that bell notification. Make sure it's all black, the bell. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.